I want you to imagine you're on an airplane and the flight attendant begins the safety instructions.
In case of an emergency, the oxygen mask will drop down from the compartment above your seat. If you are traveling with a child or someone in need of assistance, secure your own mask first and then assist the other person.
It's a familiar routine, but have you ever considered the lesson behind it? You need to make sure you can breathe before you help others. It's the same with sleep. If you don't prioritize sleep, you won't be able to function properly or help others to the best of your ability. Just like you need oxygen to breathe, you need sleep to function. And if you don't get enough rest, you'll be irritable and sluggish and less effective. It's easy to think that sacrificing sleep for other responsibilities is the responsible thing to do. But in reality, it's the opposite. When you prioritize your own well-being, you'll be better equipped to take care of others, to be a better partner, parent, child, or friend.